Hey, so if you want your emails and CRM working together smoothly, yeah, integrating Zoho with Gmail is a game changer. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Alright, first things first, log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Once you're inside, head over to the top right corner and click on Setup. Now scroll down to the Channels section and click on Email. This is where you connect your Gmail account. Here, select Gmail as your email provider and click Connect. You'll be redirected to Google. Just sign in with your Gmail account and allow the permissions Zoho asks for. Once connected, you can choose how your emails sync, like incoming, outgoing, or both. You can also decide which modules to link emails with. You can also turn on email tracking to see when your emails are opened or clicked. Pretty useful, you know. Finally, save your settings and send a test email to make sure everything is working properly. And yeah, that's it. Your Zoho CRM and Gmail are now connected, so your communication stays organized in one place.